Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimolakoijam has denounced the existence of buffer zone in the state, urged security forces to protect civilians and farmers in foothill areas. Speaking on the sideline of a visit to Phubala, where armed cookies carried out attack on farmers yesterday, MP Bimolakoijam termed the incident as a distraction, as Indian security forces are well trained to tackle such attacks. He said people to question why security forces are not acting as expected, why they were not able to protect civilians. While asserting the absence of rule of law in Manipur, MP Bimol maintained that people need to vehemently demand for their rights and to think critically when such incident occurs.
Sigi canal sigi suna kan thang ba sai si bawa ko gi government na meter chahum bawa ko lo uba ya no order piri ne ba pung adu wadu wona adu ngarang tawri sidi suna kan chingdum thangi ba meter chahum lom de subu na te ba canal sigi suna kan da khoi rom gi son thanga sujari ne yang ngai iri asidai se bunker am leise SSB gi unit am lei di ba ko asigi mamang de ne ba thoi se nang nang sumang ani gu mane mi mo sidi Aromoi hippie, right? Kaidaurimung de adu nongoi makondo tarde chongkalaga hawgalaka nidana. Luri ba poti. Irang si sum lehelaga ikogi tokai de raga lady ba Manipur gi fibam se masi sum chathadra lehening ba kangbu singna sarkar na torok da su athinga kai pi ba ko. Any initiative by the government of India to restore peace haitare ko. Madude de chak chak thilaga thugai raga ko to disrupt that peace and maintain the status quo toroga the vested political interests and there are some vested political interests who are trying to disrupt any move to restore peace and normalcy. And one should know who are these people. The ground missing in the talk is a higher up Karimari Lane Hibrom Joko Kanam to ever. Ground the labor troops in Cha. Say Anisi the respond to the Bogi Port Nama ladies. Sigi Limbom to is a Kadai de two lace in a Koiloi Hangbam to ever.
Well, Bhumeshwar, a villager of Phubala, has informed that the planned shutdown has been postponed after government officials assured to take actions and to enhance security for farmers in Phubala areas. Speaking to media, Bhumeshwar informs that top police officials have assured to open security checkpoints near foothills within 5 days' time. The police official has also agreed to initiate inquiry on security lapses which resulted to the incident of attack on farmer. Bhumeshwar also informed that Deputy Commissioner has also assured to provide compensation to injured farmer Nbirin. He also informed media person that government official has also agreed to consider shoot-at-sight order for those who carry out attacks on farmers.
Dokasi kogi nungtil gi matam da thokpa amadi security layer ahum la la kan da lakki bopum mama oibani na yam sensitive oina logjare hairaga kari kamdong na masi thoki bano masda mara leba musing security gi maikai da lapses leba sing adu yam na kubna inquiry tawire haira kan da ikmadu mara leba sing book tauba atuba matam da aikoi numit taret ni gi manung da mara leba musing dandi pibaga loinana inquiry gi report sing miyam na khusin na ba haibada aikoi gi lemgrek le home department in charge amadi lakpiri official singa yana ofom ama leijare hoji low uba yadana leiriba mafam sing asi permanent on low uba yana na bagi hanana deploy tawduna leiriba check point sing haibadi security post sing asi mathak tang basarukta chingkhong lomda yarigi makai kakatlaga hongjin ba haibo ofam asisu aikoi Yanwa Porakle, Harry Wapomasi, Yamdrabada, Numit Mangani Fogi Manunda, Hungat Piragani Habi Taza Piviramle, Lomi Singamadi Prasam Yambu, Makata Nasigum Doxing Asi, Sohan Panlan, the Nabagamakta, Heck Ubada, militant Sing Natragana, illegal arms sing Loina Rakomatam, the suit at site order, Kutakta, Tonunabagi order Amasu, Yohun Binanaba, Magistrate Kutanga, Ikoina, Apil Tokzabada Madugaya, Tambiramle.